In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to reinstate your disabled Facebook page, or if you have boosts unavailable or you are not allowed to create ad for this page. This video will help you a lot. So first of all, you will come to, so let's say you log into your Facebook account like this, and then when you come to the left-hand side, you see marketplace, watch, memories, see more. Then when you click on see more, you see ads manager. So you click on the ads manager and it will bring you to this place. So it will bring you to the ad manager. So inside the ad manager, for example, if it is a user account or ad account restriction, you will see a warning here. For the warning that you are seeing here, this one is a payment problem, not an advertising restriction. But if you have an ad account or user account restriction, that one you will have to follow the video above to reinstate it, or you can still use this video to reinstate it. They are almost the same. You can follow it to the end. If it doesn't solve, you can check the video that is above to follow it to if it's a user account or ad account restriction, but it's similar to the page restriction. So this is what you do. So if it's a user account or ad account restriction, you would have seen the warning here and you will see more or see details. But because it's a page restriction, you will see it here. So for page restriction, you will come to, for page restriction, you will click on the three lines here. Then you see account quality. So you click on account quality. So from account quality, as you can see, if you come to Facebook account, you see they are saying personal Facebook account is disabled. In fact, this one is a payment problem, so it is not an actual restriction. Remove that one. But when you come here, you see restricted on 11th November. This is a page, and this is where the problem actually is. So when I click on the page, they will say this page isn't allowed to advertise. This is because the page didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies. So other standard, such as by having many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy accounts. So what exactly we need to do is to look at what you can do on the right-hand side. So under what you can do, you can see request review. So we can request a review. So before you request a review, this is what you will need to do. Most of you may need to confirm your identity before you request the review. So first of all, you will have to click on the, come back to Facebook, then you click here, you go to settings and privacy, you will see personal and account information where you can change your name to fit exactly with what is on your ID card. And this one is for those whose information on their ID card is not the same as what is on Facebook. So if you're not using your real name on Facebook, you will have a problem, and that could be part of the reason why you are restricted. So you will have to make sure you change your first and last name. You change your name to match with your first and last name on your ID card. If your first and last name on your Facebook account doesn't match with what's on your ID card, then your account may be permanently restricted, and they will say your identity confirmation is not successful, and they can confirm that it is really you. So please, the ID card they accept, we have national identity card, we have voter ID, we have national insurance card, and possibly any other card, passport too. So they also take passport. So any other card that has your first, your last name, your date of birth, also your picture, your profile picture on it, or your passport size picture on it. So these are the type of cards they accept. So make sure that you, at least those four that I mentioned, you should have one of them: national identity card, voter ID card, passport, or driving license too is accepted, or national health insurance. Make sure you have any of them. So after you have those cards available, get a very clear picture of it, because if the picture is not clear, they may reject it. So once you make the picture clear and you have changed your name to match with what is on your ID card, please take notice, first name and last name, make sure they match exactly. Then you can come to check the birth date. So You have to come to your profile information, the account and basic information to make sure that your birth date matches. If your birth date doesn't match, you will have a problem there too as well. So how do you do that? So you click on your name, click on the account name, and then you can go to about info, and then go to contact and basic info. Then you check your birthday. If it does not match, you have to make sure that you change it here. You change the gender. You make sure everything matches: the day, the year, the month, the year, the day, the month, and then the gender. Make sure they match exactly with what is on your card. After all that is done, come back to account quality and click on request review. Now, for my account, for this particular account that I'm doing the request for review for, we did identity verification not up to a month. So that is why they will not ask me to verify the identity again because I have already done it. But probably if you didn't do identity verification within the last few days, they will ask you to do it. So you have to follow it. You will have, when you click on get started, they will ask you to upload the picture. And then after you upload the picture, you will go to the next step where they will ask you to request the review. But I have already done the identity confirmation earlier. So my own is to request the review. So requesting the review, they will ask, why are you requesting the review? So you have to come to another reason. Don't choose, I am not sure which policy was violated, or I think there was an unauthorized use of my page. Click on, I think there is, click on another reason. After you click on another reason, you write a letter to describe exactly what the problem is. So for my own, I have already, I wrote the letter earlier. Seems I didn't copy it. Let me just get back to copy the letter. Okay. Okay. So the letter is ready. So I'm simply describing what exactly happened and the page was restricted. So what I'm saying is that I received a letter saying that I received a message, or I could see, I'm told my page is restricted and it's because I violated their policies. But I am extra sure I have not violated their policies. I've run several campaigns, but none of them have been rejected. And I know that this could be a mistake, so they should consider me and reinstate my page for me. So that is what I have simply said. So after that, I am submitting it. So as you can see, request for review requested. Thank you for submitting your account for review. We're always looking for the security of our community. So while we're waiting for review information, your business won't be able to advertise. So as you can see, review requested on 11th November. So just have to wait patiently for them to reinstate this account. So within 48 hours, if you look here, they are saying we are reviewing the page and will notify you here from within 48 hours from when you requested the review. So after 48 hours, it is expected to be reinstated, and I am expecting to see them reinstate my page because I know I've not really violated any policy. So that is how to reinstate your disabled page. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Remember to click on the notification bell so that anytime we post videos like this, you will be notified. Thank you once again for watching, and have a great day. Lastly, if you have any problem regarding restrictions, please, if you're unable to solve it after watching this video, remember to check, there is a link in the description. Follow it, WhatsApp me, and then we'll be able to help you get back to advertise.